Today we're going to take a look at Windows K2 setup guide for gaming performance and new features. So if you use an NVIDIA GPU, open the NVIDIA Control Panel and navigate to the Global Settings tab. Set the shader cache size limit to 10 GB. This is considered the optimal sweet spot to prevent the GPU from constantly deleting and recompiling shaders, which causes in-game stutters. If you do actively use virtual machines, open the Start menu. Search for Turn Windows Features on or off and uncheck Virtual Machine Platform to free up system resources. Also, launchers, updaters, and monitoring tools running in the background will spike your CPU and disk usage. Check your startup apps in Task Manager and disable unnecessary agents for deeper clean. Use the Syst Internals Auto Runs tool to find hidden auto starts. Also, before making any registry edits or deep system changes, always press the Windows key, type Create a Restore Point, and save a backup of your system state.